Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So today we're going to talk about magnesium. And what is magnesium good for? Magnesium is good for your muscle function. It is good for your blood sugar. It is good for hypertension. It is good for your nerves, for your muscles. And so today I just want to come on here and talk to you about this miracle magnesium flakes that I have here. Magnesium, even if sometimes you may be feeling stress, your body needs magnesium. It is such an important nutrient. It is very important for us to have. I used to take this here magnesium by glycinite 200. I used to take this one, and so I had bought this one to start doing as soon as the tablet is finished, because you know that anything that goes right into your bloodstream is always better than the tablet. And what my husband likes to do, even when I had the tablet, he would say, Lorna, open them. So he would open them, put the powder in my hand, and I will just bring it back with a little water, or sometimes just like that. So now that this is gone, no more pills are for me. So another thing I have to tell you about this magnesium, it is good for people who have insomnia, or even if you having trouble sleeping. When you make this miracle oil, you will have no problem sleeping. I can testify about this oil. And when, like I said, when you use it, it immediately goes into your skin. So it helps you to relax. Even at nights, if I have back pain, I would say, sweetie, can you spray that oil on my back? And family, it knocks me out. So when I don't want to drink the other, remember I made the video with the soursop leaf and you put some honey? This is my go-to to help me, to relax me and to go to sleep. So now, one more thing I have to tell you. The other day, because my husband traveled with, ever since he met in a car accident, he has back pain. So the other day, he was sweeping the floor with a lower broom. And because he's tall, the broom activates the pain in his back. And one night he was there and he said, Lorna, the pain, my back. And I was laying there and I said, Lord, what can I give Dennis for his back? What can I give him? And it came to me, I had this thing down here for so long and I was not using it. And it's like the Spirit said, go and make the magnesium oil. And I got up. He was sleeping. And I got up in the night. It was so late because like I said, it came to me. I was almost sleeping. And I got up and I put it in a spray bottle and I sprayed him all over. And the next day, he said to me, Lorna, what did you put in that thing? What was that thing you put on my back? What was it? And believe me, his back is now back to normal, right, dear?
Yes, dear.
You can testify. Okay,
yes,
so now I said, let me come here and show you guys how I do it.
Yes, it did work.
Yeah. So we're gonna go with half cup of warm water. It's not going to be too hot. So let's do half cup of water here. I like to use, one long time ago, a naturopathic said to me, do not use stainless steel when you're mixing medicinal products. Always try to use a wooden spoon. So here, this is why I'm doing it with this now. So here is the half cup of water. I should have put the magnesium flakes. So it's actually flaky. Like, you know how the coconut flakes will look? That's how it looks. And I'm going to measure. So I'm doing half, the same proportion of magnesium flakes to the water. All right. So there are different brands, but this is the one I got from Now. It says 100% magnesium flakes. So here now, Simple Life, I'm just going to try and get, because listen, being down here, I don't know where I will get these things from again, so I have to pet it and I have to try and not to waste anything. So when you do that now, you just mix it out. Just mix it until
melt out.
yes, until it dissolve out. If you see any flies, that's just part of the Caribbean. Okay.
And the barking.
Oh yeah. They just want my attention. Sorry about the barking in the background. Okay, so there it is now. Simple Life. It's all mixed out. Mixed out. And all right. So how do we use this now? I have here a spray bottle, and I like to use darker bottles if you have them. Whenever you buy anything or you see a dark bottle, try to preserve them. Take them, wash them out, sanitize them, and save them. So this was, I think this was the Udo's oil I had gotten in this, or yeah, and I brought it down, and I took this spray bottle from somewhere. So then now, Simple Life, I just pour it in the bottle like so, and I won't cover it until it's completely cooled before I will cover it, because this is plastic and I'm not sure about the you know, so
yes,
I'm not.
play it safe.
Yes. So what we do now, when I put the cover on, as soon as we take a shower, when we're settled down for the evening, you drink your cup of tea, you all relax, then wherever you find that you have a pain, whether it's in your neck, in your joints, your shoulders, your knees, your feet, your back, it does not matter. Just you yourself try to spray it or have someone apply it, spray it on for you. If the spraying does not work for you, you could just put a regular cover on and just throw a little, try not to lose any Simple Life, and just apply it. The other night I was so tired, I felt like a little tension here, and I just take some and I just apply it here, and you know, it helps me, and I fall asleep. The other thing I have to tell you about this magnesium oil is that I usually travel with knee pain, because the doctor said that the cartilage in my knees are going because all the years of being on my feet in the restaurant. And so I was applying this and I was put it on, and I remember saying to myself, I have not felt the pain for so long now. And then I remember, oh, it's the magnesium. I was not only putting it on my back, but I was putting it on all the areas that I know I usually feel the pain. So this is a blessing, Simple Life. You have to try it. When I have something and it works for me, I would really like to give you the recipe and to have you try it, share it, because it will lower your blood pressure. It does. Because now, when you take this, it works faster than any magnesium pill or whatever you take. In the stores, you can also find magnesium oil. You can find magnesium drink. There is even a calm. But for to spray on the muscles, this one works. And you know how it made, and you're the one who is making it. So
all natural.
Yes, it's all natural. Another thing I want to tell you is I have this here. This is my little travel jar. So whenever I am going, and this, I keep this in my bag. So if I go somewhere and someone is complaining, or if I have to sleep at my brother's or wherever, I have it here. So in case I need it, I will just go like this and just apply it at my temples. I used to have a lot of essential oils that I travel with, but I have to forget about those now when they're finished, because, you know, with the expense and being here and all of that. So I am so thankful for this here magnesium oil, and
Fill the gap.
it, and you're happy because it's cheaper.
Yeah.
So Simple Life. I don't know what else can I say about the magnesium oil.
Try it.
Try it. Try it. Put your comment. Please let me know. What do you think about? Have you tried magnesium? Are you taking it? Will you give this a try? And come back and let me know what wonders it is doing for you. And yeah, that is all for now. Even if you're having muscle spasm, it is good, because what happens is our body is under so much pressure, so much tension, and
Stress, especially now.
yeah, especially now in this time of pandemic, and we need things that will, we don't need to be taking steroids or pills from the doctor, pharmaceuticals, when God has made all these natural remedies for us to do. When my husband said to me, Lorna, what was that thing you put on my back last night? All I could say was, to God be the glory. You know, because it's okay when you know what works for you, but when someone else can say it works, it is truly a blessing. So yeah, that is it for now. I just want to come on here and show you this and share this blessing with you. So thank you for tuning in. Please remember to like the video, to share the video. Thank you for those who have subscribed already, and to those who share, and to allow my channel to grow. Thank you for allowing me to be a blessing to you. So bye for now.